Hello guys, myself Ranjit Kumar. Let me talk about the topic science behind the snacks. The contents are why there is a hole in Medvodai, the how the popcorn pops, why sweet corn won't pop. And one may ask, the masala vada don't have any hole, but in the medu vada there's a hole. What's the need for that hole? Let we see that the science. And the medu vada and the masala vada are the two famous dishes in Tamil Nadu. It's a preferred snacks in morning and evening. We can see these dishes in many tea shops and hotels in Tamil Nadu. Medu vada is made up of a black gram, and the masala vada is made up of dal. With the help of this ingredient, we make a flour which is used for preparing the medu vada as well as masala vada. And coming to the main topic, while comparing the density of medu vada is higher than the masala vada. From the figure, we can determine that the density and the water of the medu vada is high while compared to the masala vada. And next slide. Assume that we prepare a masala vada with the help of the ingredient dal. The property what we earlier discussed, that the density and the water of the masala vada are very less, so the heat passed from the oil to vada is very easy, so the vada is boiled well and the grams turn to crispy. While coming to the medu vada, we want to use the technique which was followed to make a masala vada. If you follow the last technique to prepare medu vada, it's not work because of density. If you put it into the oil for boiling, the heat passed evenly in all over the edges, but it will take a time to reach the center position. And if we increase the time to boil, the vada will be boiled well, but it not be in soft condition. For a good medu vada, it will be tasty in soft condition only. In order to get a good medu vada, we have to use a new technique which is mostly used today to avoid the heat transfer disturbances. We create a hole in the center of vada, so the heat is transferred easily in the all over the sides, and it took less time than the previous procedure. It's a great technique followed by our ancient Tamilans. Coming to the next topic, why does the popcorn pops? First of all, we know the popcorn contains a small amount of water, the starch. If we heat the corn, the water pressure inside the corn causes the water to steam, and it will causes the starch to form like a jelly substance. Due to the continuous heating of the corn, a pressure created inside the corn, so it will burst. Finally we got the popcorn. And the another topic, the why sweet corn won't pop. What we earlier discussed, it is similar like that. Um, the sweet corn contains a very small amount of water. It stored inside the circle of the soft starch, so it unable to create a sufficient pressure to burst out the layer of the corn, so it won't pop. That's all the reason. Thank you all.